What up, YouTube? It's Danny back with another video. Sorry in advance, but I am filming in my light box, and clearly the PS5 Slim is too tall to fit in frame. So we're gonna make do with what we can. Today we're gonna unbox some new cover plates for the PS5 from Sony. This is it's like a metallic blue, I want to say. So, and I already have a controller that sort of matches what the cover's gonna look like, but I think they're gonna be slightly off, and that's okay because the cobalt blue is not what I bought. I bought an iridescent blue PS5 case cover. You'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off these plates real quick, and then we're gonna put the blue plates back on, I guess. I wish my light box was bigger than it is, but it is what it is. So I think I just pull up. It feels like you're gonna break the system. But apparently they're just clips. You know what? Let me do this side first. Okay, so the video online said to just pull. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3. So this should now just come off. There we go. 1 out of 4 plates off. You probably heard my cat meowing. There we go. That was a lot easier. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is put on the replacement plates first and then flip it over and do the others. I was going to play a horrible match of Ballistic in Fortnite ranked. My teammates were stupid. It'd be one thing if I wasn't playing ranked, but I do. That's all I play is ranked on that mode. I didn't go down in silver, but I definitely didn't go up. I just stayed silver 1. Anyway. The cool thing about these Sony plates is they work with both the disc version and the discless PS5, which is nice. So you will have a spare plate of one or the other. And I don't, I just rock the digital PS5 Slim, which sometimes I wish I had the attachment, and I may buy it, I don't know. Because they're like, when I want to play Street Fighter 6, I can't play it in my bedroom. I have to go to the game room, play it on there. Which, yeah, first world problem. I know. Ooh, look at this. It's got like a slight purple to it. Blue purple. So it's close in matching. Very close. Wow, that's nice. Okay, all right. But this one's for the other side. So I will set this off to the side for now. I need the other side top plate, which you have to line up with the 3 clips like that. Supposed to just snap in there. But it's not exactly doing that. Okay, I gotta press it down. I'll do it here in a second. Firmly grasp it. You know what? Let me just cut. I'll cut the video because I need to be where the camera is. So I'll be back. Alright, there you go. Just took a little doing. Maybe about 5 minutes, just because it's not easy finding the clips. But yeah, look at that iridescent blue. It's got like a purple, blue, sort of. See that? So, then here's the controller that sort of mostly matches. It's just the only difference is it doesn't have a purple hue or tint to it like this one does. That is so beautiful. So hopefully the camera does this justice because it looks so good in person. Looks incredible in person. So there you go. Quick video. Not really a tutorial, just kind of showing me switching my plates. That's all. Thank you all so much for watching. Appreciate it. More to come. Stay tuned. So, alright guys. Take care. See y'all next video. Peace.